What's up, folks? Welcome back to Fresh Produce. I'm Pete from BTI. Now it's getting to be the heat of the summer. We're out there on some long rides, we're getting fit, but it's hot. So today I wanted to talk about a couple items to hopefully increase comfort on your backside for your next long ride. All right, let's dive right in. Here's a new brand to the BTI catalog. These are Nezium shorts. This is the Game Changer 2.0 model. We have a women's version as well, I'm really happy to report. So these are gonna just be liner shorts that you'll wear underneath another pair of mountain bike shorts. They have a couple of unique features. So let's take a little look. Starting out here at the cuff, there's a nice little gripper painted right around the bottom of the cuff on the legs as well as the waistband. So gonna keep those from sliding while still being really nice and comfortable. Now they also build in a small pocket on the side of the leg. This one's gonna be accessed from kind of the bottom of your shorts. So it's an upside down pocket, a little bit of Velcro. So maybe cram your phone in there or just a snack for those rides. Another unique pocket these shorts feature is right on the back, right at the waistband. So, maybe you just are out for a little longer than expected. You could cram a water bottle back here and have it sticking out of the back of your shorts. Kind of an emergency pocket, might not want to use all the time, but a pretty cool option that you'll forget is there when you're not using it. Now, getting into the important stuff, they're using a high performance, high density foam here for the chamois and really nice perforations throughout. So it does feel like good and supportive. It feels like it's gonna last a long time, but still breathe well and be comfortable. The material overall also really lightweight, gonna offer a lot of breathability. Of course, they do come in black as well and a couple other colors. So check out the catalog for the Nezium shorts and different options in both men's and women's. Now moving right along to the other important part of the equation, we've got a ton of saddles in the catalog, but today I just wanted to highlight a new one with some unique features. I shouldn't say new, this has actually been around a little while, but we've just recently added some colors. This is the Bike Yoke Sagma saddle. Here I've got the 143 millimeter width, also available in 130. Now the saddle is super short in length. You can kind of see it's in that new category of stubby saddles that allow you to move around on the bike really easily. Still have really long rails, so a lot of saddle position adjustment available. This the foam is a unique, what they're calling ID beads foam. It's proprietary just to Bike Yoke, and it's pretty firm, but does have some squish and also really slow rebounding. It's nice and thick foam here up on the nose of the saddle too, so when you are sliding forward to finish up a really tough steep climb, still have some comfort up there. Cutouts in the center of the saddle, and then also a little bit of a dip. So kind of gonna give you something to push the sit bones against when you are on the back of the saddle. Now, another really unique feature of this saddle, they use forged aluminum rails that are bolted onto through this elastomer in the front and back of the saddle. That elastomer allows the saddle to flex side to side as your body's moving, going through that pedal stroke. It's not going to be super noticeable, but going to add some comfort overall. There are 3 different elastomers available, so you can kind of adjust the feel, soft, medium, and firm. All right, if you're hitting some long rides and feeling a little bit of discomfort on the backside, check out these 2 options. Make sure you ask at your local bike shop and tell them BTI sent you.